Afternoon guys, update tayo guys sa ating water district kapihan. So guys, yung tubig guys, may reservoir guys. This is yung tub. Nagalagin sa aking channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Lilipas your spiritual healer. Naiigib tayo ng tubig guys sa Kapihan Water District, Malabog, Davao City. Igib tayo ng tubig. Yan guys, yung tubig namin dito guys. Igib na kami. Gamit ay reservoir. Flowing lang to guys, flowing water of Kapihan from Taluy-Tuy. Malayo pa ang pinanggalingan ng tubig guys, kay Agana Resort.